Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. So from today, we will start new application series how to create a contact manager in Excel. This series will be very interesting for you for learning Excels and VBA. So first we will see a complete demonstration of this contact manager, and after that we will learn how to create this contact manager step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's begin this demonstration. As you can see this is the contact manager, and here these are the fields which you have to fill, and we have buttons: add photo, new contact, save contact, update contact, delete contact, database, search contact, previous, and next. So we will start with new contact. So click on new contact. You can see we got all the fields are blank and serial number is 75. Now click here and type a name, then nickname, then company, then job title, then address, one by one you have to type all those things, and if you want to skip you can also skip. So I have entered all this field and I have left few fields also, and now we want to add a photo for this. So click on add photo. So here is the folder we got, and select a picture where you have the picture. So I am taking this one, open. So we got the picture, and now we want to save this contact. So click on save contact. Contact has been saved successfully, and you can see we got new blank. So if I want to see the previous contact, that is it is 76, where to see 75, click on previous. We can see this 75, then 74, 73. In this way we can see all this. Now if I want to update this contact, that is this one, or you may say this one I want to update. So you can type here suppose I will update only these two fields, and click on update contact. If I want to click on save contact, this contact serial already exists. Click on update button. So click on update. The contact has been updated successfully. Now if I go to previous, then again go to next, you can see we can see all this. Now if I want to delete any contact, so how to do that? So we can use this delete button. Click here to delete this. So that ID has been deleted. You can see 73, 74, 75. So the previous one is deleted. We cannot see this Bornali Saha. Now if I want to see the database, so go to database. You can see this is the database. So here we can see 20 data at a time, and go to next. Then here from 21 to 40, then 41 to 60, and here if I click on home, we'll go to the first page. Now if I click on any picture, you can see this row is selected, so picture of this contact is shown here. Now if I want to filter, suppose we want to filter as company based, so type here SCC and enter. So we can see only the SCC companies. If I type suppose clear this one, so if I clear, you can see all the contact has appeared again. So if I want to type here suppose Mandal, you can see we got all the Mandals here. You can click here, you can see all this contact has the title Mandal. Now if I delete this one, then we again got here. Now if I want to filter according to the address, type here Pakwa Hut. You can see these are 1 2 3 4 5 contact is from Pakwahat. So in this way, you can also filter the data from the database. And if you want to edit any contact, just click on that contact. Suppose I want to change this one, 15, edit contact. You can see that contact has been taken here, 15, Archana Mandal, nickname Archana. Now here we want to put a picture. Click on add photo, then click on this picture, open, and now update contact. Now if I go to database, and here for Archana Mandal, you can see we got the picture. Previously it was not there. So we have the database here, and if I go to home, it is the first page, and click on edit, we got this one. And here you can search also. Suppose we can search only by the serial number, but in the upcoming videos I will also show how to search any contact according to the contact name in this contact manager. So here I will type 1 and then click on search. This is the first record, then next, second record, third record, fourth record. In this way, the previous one, previous record. So you have understood all these buttons. Now I will go to database here. So this is our main database. You can see here from 1 to here, all this is the main database. And according to this database, all the data are fetched here and here. So in the database, you can see here we have more rows here. These are for filtering data. You can see here, these are for filtering data. You can see here we filter the data here. So these filters are done with the help of VBA. So we will learn each and everything step by step so that you can create your own contact manager with your own fields. Suppose here we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15 fields. If you want 20 fields, 30 fields, you can as many fields as you can create on your own. So in the next video, we will learn how to create this contact manager. So I hope you are excited to learn how to create this contact manager. So I request you to subscribe our channel so that you get notifications when we upload the videos for this contact manager. And if you like this application, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.